Hi everyone, apa khabar semua? How are you guys doing? Today we will be adding new vocabularies to your memory and they are related to things at home. First, rumah, rumah, house. Rumah saya sangat cantik. Rumah saya sangat cantik. My home is very pretty. Colloquially, we may change the first person singular pronoun to aku. Check out the lesson for the first person singular pronoun if you want to know more. The link is in the description. These are some of the colloquial examples. Rumah aku cantik sangat. Rumah aku cantik betul. Rumah aku cantik sekali. All means my home is very pretty. The word betul and sekali has other meanings, but in this context, they mean very, when paired with an adjective. Betul means correct or right, as in that is correct. Sekali means once or together. Next word is pintu. Pintu, door. Pintu rumah saya besar. Pintu rumah saya besar. My home's door is big. Colloquially, pintu rumah aku besar or pintu rumah aku besar. Notice that not only we change the first person singular pronoun to aku, but the pronunciation of besar has the R dropped. Some people do say the word besar with O or A in the second syllable. So don't be confused if some say besar or besar to mean big instead of besar. They all mean the same, which is big. Next, dinding. Dinding, wall. Cat dinding dengan warna putih. Cat dinding dengan warna putih. Paint the wall in white. Cat is a verb and in this sentence, it is a request or a command. Next is halaman rumah. Halaman rumah, front yard. Halaman rumah awak penuh dengan bunga. Halaman rumah awak penuh dengan bunga. Your front yard is full of flowers. Next is pasu. Pasu, vase. Saya tanam pokok di dalam pasu. Saya tanam pokok di dalam pasu. I plant a tree in a vase. Next is lantai. Lantai, floor. Jangan duduk di atas lantai. Jangan duduk di atas lantai. Don't sit on the floor. Colloquially, jangan duduk kat atas lantai. Just change di to kat. To know more about kat, check out the lesson and the link is in the description. Next, tingkap. Tingkap window. Banyaknya tingkap. Banyaknya tingkap. So many windows. Nya is a suffix to emphasize the word banyak. But this suffix has many meanings and usages and this is for another lesson. Next is langsir. Langsir Curtain. Tahun ini langsir kami warna biru. Tahun ini langsir kami warna biru. This year our curtain is in blue. Why I made this sentence as an example? Most Malays are Muslim in general, and every year we celebrate the Idul Fitri in Malaysia after a 30 days fasting in Ramadan. My mom will be very excited to change some decorations in the house for a fresh outlook, especially the curtains. Most definitely, the curtains will be changed. If not every year, it will be once every 2 years. Next is kerusi. Kerusi, chair. Jangan berdiri kat atas kerusi. Jangan berdiri kat atas kerusi. Don't stand on the chair. The word jangan is always used to forbid someone from doing something. Meja, meja, table. Tolong mak kemaskan meja ya. Tolong mak kemaskan meja ya. Help me to clean up the table, okay? Jam, jam, watch. Cuba tengok jam dekat dinding. Cuba tengok jam dekat dinding. Look at the watch on the wall. Telefon, telefon, telefon. Kau nak telefon siapa? Kau nak telefon siapa? Who do you want to call? Gambar, gambar, foto. Ini gambar keluarga aku. Ini gambar keluarga aku. This is my family's photo. The word gambar here sometimes colloquially said as gambar or gambar. It is the same like in the word besar. TV, TV, television. Jangan tengok TV banyak sangat. Jangan tengok TV banyak sangat. Don't watch too much TV. There is a word in Malay which is called as television. But normally, colloquially, we will always short form it as TV, like the rest of the world. Radio, radio. Dah lama tak dengar radio. Dah lama tak dengar radio. I haven't listened to the radio for ages. Tikar, tikar, mat. Gulung tikar tu, lepas tu letak kat bilik store. Gulung tikar tu, lepas tu letak kat bilik store. Roll the mat and then put it in the store. Katil, katil, bed. Dalam rumah saya ada 5 katil. Dalam rumah saya ada 5 katil. There are 5 beds in my house. Tilam, tilam, mattress. Jangan main atas tilam. Jangan main atas tilam. Don't play on the mattress. Remember the word jangan? It is to forbid. Bantal, bantal, pillow. Saya perlu 2 bantal untuk tidur. Saya perlu 2 bantal untuk tidur. I need 2 pillows to sleep. And the last one is selimut. Selimut blanket. Kau nak selimut tak? Kau nak selimut tak? Do you want a blanket? Thanks for watching. If you like what you see today or learn something new, make sure you like and share the video for other people to learn from it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Sampai jumpa lagi.